Direct proportion. Paul travels to Japan on holiday. He exchanges £50 for 7,250 Japanese yen. Part A. Haruna is travelling with Paul. She changes £115 into yen. How many yen does she receive? When you exchange money, the currencies are in direct proportion, as long as there's no commission. This means that if you change twice as many pounds, you'll get twice as many yen, and so on. You can solve this problem using ratios or using algebra. I'm going to use algebra. If yen and pounds are in direct proportion, then you can write a direct proportion formula. If y is the number of yen and p is the number of pounds, the formula is y equals kp. K is a number that you need to work out. It's called the proportionality constant. You can work out K by using the values that were given in the question. Substitute these values for Y and P into the proportionality formula. Now you've got an equation with one variable. You can solve it to find K. Divide both sides by 50 to get K on its own. Use a calculator. 7,250 divided by 50 equals 145. So K equals 145. That means the formula to convert pounds into yen is Y equals 145p. You can use this formula to work out how many yen Haruna gets for £115. Substitute p equals 115 into this formula. Use your calculator again. The answer is 16,675. So Haruna gets 16,675 yen. Part B. When Haruna gets back to the UK, she has 1,885 yen left. She changes it back into pounds at the same exchange rate. How many pounds does she receive? You've already worked out a formula connecting Y and P. You can use the formula to work out how many pounds Haruna gets for 1,885 yen. Substitute the value of Y that you know into the formula. 1,885 equals 145p. Now you have an equation with one variable and you can solve it to find p. You need to divide both sides by 145 to get p on its own. So use a calculator. The answer is 13. So p equals 13. That means that Haruna gets £13 in exchange for her 1,885 yen.